Hey, what's going on YouTube? You know we're here with another video, here with Christian.
Yo, what's up everybody?
Alright, so right now we're outside of McDonald's. As you can see the title, we're gonna be helping out the less fortunate. We're gonna buy about 50 McChickens and give them out around here in Frederick. By where we stay, you know? Yeah. Put some food in their tummies, you know. I know it ain't much McChickens, but it's something. Keep them a little full for the day, you know? What do you think?
I really think it's a good idea, you feel me? So right now we about to pull in the drive-thru. I'm about to order right now, and then we better go around you know, see if we can find anybody, see if they want some. But stay tuned, keep watching this video. Let's go.
Show for show.
All right, buddy, I'm pulling up right now. I'm about to order. Hello? Oh, it clearly says go to the next speaker. Okay. Hello? I guess they blank.
Welcome to McDonald's. How may I help you?
Yeah, can I get 20 McChickens?
20 McChickens?
Yeah.
Okay, you realize they're no longer on the dollar menu, correct?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, they're $1.48 a piece.
Yeah.
Okay.
Say I'm broke. Trying to say I'm broke.
20. They come with shredded lettuce and mayo. You want that on all of them?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. 20. Ain't there something? It froze on me. It won't let me do it. Just a moment.
Okay. Yo, guys, she trying to say I'm broke.
Yo, we broke me down again.
Yo.
Okay. It did it that time.
All right, cool.
Your next item, or will this be all?
I think this is it. Yep.
Okay. Your total comes to $29.47.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Yo, she repeated that like I'm a broke nigga or something, bruh. Yo.
Yo, they didn't believe that shit, bruh. That shit's wild.
Let's get it.
Oh, you put this down.
Oh.
Put this down.
Yeah. Alright guys, we're trying to pay.
You don't mind waiting, do you? You may have to cook
That's fine.
most of those fresh.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Alright.
$29.47.
Thank you. Hey, and they're about to get the fresh McChickens too.
Thank you very much.
Alright.
Have a nice weekend.
You too.
You too.
She looked at me funny too, bro.
That's crazy.
I'm about to get them. I
20
think they about
McChickens.
Yeah. Entonces, ahí nomás. No. Ok, está bien. ¿Me parqueo por ahí o?
¿Qué tal de mañana?
Ah, tal vez sí voy.
Tal vez que ya días no quedan acá.
Sí, ya voy en tiempo.
¿Por qué no vas?
Ninguna razón. No voy, ninguna razón. Simón.
Mañana caiga, como a las 9 jugamos.
Ajá. Va pues. Ahí me espera. Va pues. Simón. Oh.
Christian is trying to friends, you know.
Oh, chill.
Yeah.
Alright.
What if he sees this joint?
Yo, he's funny. But nah, guys, sorry, man. So they are making us wait. I guess they're making the McChickens fresh. So these guys are about to be lucky. Get them nice and toasty. But yeah, we're just trying to, bless out the people out here. But yeah, that was one of my friends. We play soccer, so he's not really that good, by the way. So all right, bye guys. Stay tuned. I'll be right back. Yo, so we about to pull up. We about to see if venue here. Oh, they're not here at the moment.
Oh, they want to give y'all food, y'all not here.
Right. most likely we're gonna have to go downtown Frederick. I'm about to pull up right now. Give them their Mcchickens.
On our way downtown.
Downtown Frederick.
Downtown Frederick, you feel me?
Isn't there a club at downtown Frederick?
There's a hella clubs downtown. Actually, I don't even know.
They got hookah bars too.
Yeah, they got hookah bars down there.
Yo, we're gonna have to get naughty one day and go, bro.
Yo, it's my day to hookah bar down there real quick.
Yeah.
Get a little freaky with it.
Alright, we're about to pull up, see what's going on.
McDonald's, we just came out of. Ordered 20 McChickens back. They screen broke and everything.
She was like, "You want 20 McChickens?" Like, yo, like, I got the bread. Like, yeah.
She's really wildin'.
Yeah. She must have thought, like, this man can't afford no 20 McChickens. Alright, guys, I think we found someone. Let's see.
Like, excuse me, sir, you hungry?
Yeah, we're about to see real quick. He kind of doesn't look homeless, but I mean. Excuse me, sir. You want something to eat? You want like a McChicken or something? McChicken? You want a McChicken? Sure? Alright. Kind of feeling generous, so we're going around just giving out McChickens.
Oh yeah?
Alright, man? Yeah.
Ah,
Alright.
nice.
You're very welcome.
Have a good day.
Motivating this.
Just feeling generous.
Oh,
Yeah, just feeling happy, feeling good. Alright, man?
Appreciate it.
No problem.
No
You
problem.
take care, alright?
Yeah, you too.
Yep.
Thank you.
There ain't nothing in these, is there?
Nah, no. I got a bag full of them.
Huh?
I got a bag full of them.
Feel me, just got him. We just got him from McDonald's. Nothing in them,
Oh,
promise.
Lord.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like I said, bro.
Hey, thank you.
Yep. No problem.
My boy ain't trust us.
Well,
Yo, he thought we were out here poisoning niggas,
right.
man.
Like,
We're just trying to do a good deed, bro. Come on now. We ain't like that.
not like that, yeah.
Nah, we not like that.
Well, who knows if he was homeless or not, but
Nah, I think he was homeless. He looked homeless. He was definitely
he probably just confused, honestly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't blame him for being skeptical, you know. I don't blame him for that. Can't trust everyone out here.
True that, true that.
But you know, we one of the good ones, yeah.
Yeah.
We good. No worries. We just picked up Minkton.
Yo, Milton.
Hey, he's about to hand some McChickens out with us. You feel
Yeah,
me?
we got the water case. He got the water case.
He brought it. Yeah, he contributed. He brought waters too.
About
you
to
feel
fill
me?
these guys up with some fluids. You dig?
Yeah. That's what you said. That fluids.
La agua.
La agua.
Alright guys, so I think we might have found one finally.
¿No se ve?
Yo creo que sí,
No corno.
like over here in the...
Excuse me. Want some McChicken? You want some McChicken?
Got some McChickens.
You got some McChicken, some water for you. Sound good? Yeah, no problem.
Good one. You have a good day.
All right, guys, this is you know, towards the end of the video. Milton, you want to say goodbye to the fans?
All right, yo. Catch y'all later.
All right, man. See you later.
All right, yo.
Alrighty.
Fuck up, nigga. Watch your fucking mouth, pussy. Get the fuck out the car. See how my bitches, they getting out the car.
Yo,
it's
chill,
like
chill.
It's like that. Oh my god. Look at my bitch right here. Yeah.
Chill.
Look at my bitch right here. Go back up, bitch.
Chill. All right, guys.
Look, put the camera in this scoop. Take a dump on this car.
Chill.
You don't take a dump on nothing. I won't? No. I won't rub my cheeks on this car.
You won't.
I won't.
You won't. Yo, we gotta go. Chill, yo. All right, guys. You know, as you guys saw by the video, man, we were only able to find about like 2 or 3 guys out there. So I don't know if that actually counts, you know, but you know, we still got some extra Mcchickens here. Comment down below if you want some Mcchickens real live, because you know we got like 14 or at least more than 10.
We got more than 10.
Yeah.
Just comment down below, give away, you know, free McChickens.
Yeah, give away some free Mcchickens. About to take about, you know, I do charge that shipping though.
Yeah, we charge shipping, bro. We gotta make our money somehow.
Yeah. Alright, guys, so that's you know, that's it for the video. Make sure you guys comment down below what you guys want to see next. You know, like this video, you know, hit that bell so you guys can get the notification when we post you know, every videos. You know, and make sure you guys subscribe down below, hit that button, and you want to say goodbye, Jose?
Peace out, CJ gang. Wait for the next video. We be uploading soon, don't worry.
Yeah, don't worry. Alright, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. See